The Colombo Stock Exchange ended Friday's session on a weaker note, with both benchmark indices closing in negative territory. The All-Share Price Index, ASPI, declined by 43.18 points, minus 0.19%, to 22,178.73, while the S&P SL20 index fell by 10.32 points, minus 0.17%, to 6,194.22, reflecting mild profit-taking and cautious investor sentiment at the close of trading. The Colombo Stock Exchange recorded a total market turnover of LKR 1.54 billion on July 3, 2026, including crossings worth LKR 399.71 million. Sampath Bank plc and Access Engineering plc were the companies that recorded the highest traded values during the session, while the total market capitalization of the exchange stood at LKR 8,040.43 billion. Domestic investors continued to dominate market activity, accounting for 99.81% of total purchases with LKR 1,538.52 million, while foreign purchases amounted to just LKR 2.90 million. On the selling side, domestic investors accounted for LKR 1,380.65 million, 90%, whereas foreign investors contributed LKR 160.78 million, 10%, resulting in a net foreign outflow of approximately LKR 157.88 million. Arpico Insurance plc, Renuka Holdings plc, Los Gas plc, Radiant Gems International plc, and Asia Asset Finance plc emerged as the top gainers of the day, recording strong price appreciation amid increased investor interest. Robust buying activity in these counters reflected positive market sentiment and contributed to their notable gains during the trading session. The Colombo Fort Land and Building plc, Tess Agro plc, Abounds Finance plc, Union Chemicals Lanka plc, and Lanka Aluminium Industries plc were the top losers of the day, recording the steepest price declines during the session. Increased selling pressure in these counters weighed on their share prices, reflecting weaker investor sentiment in selected stocks despite the broader market's positive performance. The positive movement in the ASPI was mainly driven by Carson Cumberbatch plc, PGP Glass Ceylon plc, Aitken Spence plc, TJ Lanka plc, and Ceylon Tobacco Company plc. Strong buying interest in these counters provided significant support to the index, helping the market maintain its upward momentum during the trading session. The ASPI's gains were partially offset by declines in Solinco Holdings plc, John Keells Holdings plc, Royal Ceramics Lanka plc, Sampath Bank plc, and the Colombo Fort Land and Building plc. Selling pressure in these key counters weighed on the index, limiting the overall upward movement of the market during the session.